The education system in Pakistan is in the throes of severe crisis. Numerous problems are resulting from the weakness in the education system in Pakistan, which have endangered the democracy and fate of the nation. There is a need to improve education in classrooms. This will not only strengthen democracy but also ensure social security. There exist multiple problems within the Pakistani education system, which are essentially a product of poor funding, gender discrimination, rising costs, poor quality and lack of opportunities. These problems can be addressed by improving the education system as a whole to fight with the menace of social problems and strengthen democracy. The more the nation is aware, the stronger will be the democracy and more accountable will be the leaders. Pakistan is indeed going through a lot of problems in the education sector. The most significant is the lack of funding. For example, the incumbent government reduced the budget for education by nearly 50%. This lack of funding compromises the quality and impact of teaching in classrooms. Poor funding means few people have access to quality books and labs, etc. As a result, a country's ability to progress is compromised. Educational institutions are also plagued by a lack of integration between traditional and modern syllabi and the orthodox teaching method in certain institutions. This diversion polarizes society and leads to differences amongst individuals who follow these syllabi. It provides quality education only to the rich who can afford the fee of modern syllabi. This leads to contrasting job opportunities, which further fuel resentment. Severe gender imbalance also mars different education systems. Once again, Pakistan is a pertinent example where a majority of out-of-school children is girls. There exist several factors for this imbalance: cultural notions, gender discrimination, apprehensions and risks from fellow students and teachers. This gender imbalance, in turn, affects the development of families and societies. The crisis of funding in education was best captured by the leading American politician, Bernie Sanders, who said, "The cost of a college education today is so high that many young people are giving up their dream of going to college, while many others are graduating deeply in debt." The same situation applies to third world countries, particularly Pakistan.